Hi guys, I'm Geetanjali. Welcome to my channel. Everyone loves pasta. Today I'm going to make penne alla vodka but without vodka in it.
Now let's prepare the puree. I've taken 4 tomatoes. Let's cut a cross at the bottom. Add this to the boiling water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the skin starts peeling. Let's remove and place it in cold water to stop cooking further. Let's peel the skin. Let's blend it to make a puree. To prepare the sauce, now let's finely chop 2 garlic cloves. Let's also chop half onion. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan. Let's add chopped garlic. Add chopped onion and cook until it turns transparent. Now let's add tomato puree. Cook for about 5 minutes or until the puree thickens. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of crushed peppers, and mix it. Add half a cup of heavy cream and let's mix it well. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Our pasta sauce is ready. Now let's transfer it to a bowl. For cooking pasta, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil to about 5 cups of water. Now the water is boiling. Let's add 200 grams of penne pasta. Cook for about 11 to 12 minutes. Pasta is cooked. Let's drain and rinse in cold water to stop the pasta from cooking. For preparing pasta, in a wide pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add a handful of finely chopped spinach. Add 2 florets of broccoli, finely chopped. Add shrimp. I've taken 200 grams of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Now the shrimp is cooked. Let's add the pasta sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Let's cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the cooked pasta. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Let's mix it well. To this, add half a cup of cheese. I'm using cheddar jack. You can use mozzarella or any other cheese of your liking. Let's mix it. Now our creamy, delicious pasta is ready.
Our Penne Alla Vodka without vodka is ready, and I'm not going to taste it today. Today my son and his friends, they're going to taste and let you know how it is. How is it, guys?
Really good. I like it a lot.
Please try and let me know your comments. And if you like this video, please like and share and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.